This is great. It sort of feels like being at Glastonbury or somewhere.
I'm absolutely delighted that after a long gap that the festival has finally returned to Kilrea, and I think it's absolutely brilliant. Tonight has been testament to those people, to see so many people coming together in the community on a beautiful evening. We have been based in Kilrea for over 50 years now, so the local community is really, really important to us. We employ a lot of people from the local community, and to be part and be a main sponsor of this event for us was key. We're currently recruiting for a large number of positions, right from shop floor based, right through to office based. It can be skilled, non-skilled. We're an organisation that believes in training and developing our people, so you don't necessarily have to have the skills required. We will train you.